In Fiji, rugby is more than a sport. It's the heartbeat of national pride. Children play on beaches, emulating their heroes, while victories unite the nation. Fijian players, known for their raw power and agility, have become legends on the international stage, turning the national team into revered magic men. International events like the Rugby World Cup bring the world to Fiji's shores. Fans revel in the competition, enriched by cultural performances and local cuisine. The warmth of Fijian hospitality makes these events more than just games. They're celebrations of unity and pride. Rugby training camps in Fiji offer intense training and cultural immersion. Participants engage with local communities, surf pristine beaches, and partake in traditional ceremonies. These camps contribute to Fiji's economy, bolstering sports tourism and sustaining cultural heritage. Fiji's waters beckon adventurers. Scuba diving and snorkeling reveal a world of marine biodiversity, while paddle sports offer serene exploration. The island's aquatic adventures provide unique perspectives of Fiji's captivating landscapes. Divers flock to Fiji's Rainbow Reef and Great Astrolabe Reef, among other hotspots. These underwater havens showcase a kaleidoscope of marine life, inviting divers of all levels to explore the depths of Fiji's clear lagoons. Paddleboarding and kayaking tours guide enthusiasts through Fiji's tranquil waters. Local experts lead the way, ensuring a safe and enlightening journey. These tours cater to all skill levels, offering a peaceful connection with nature. Helicopter tours provide a thrilling perspective of Fiji's landscapes and wildlife. Soaring above the islands, guests witness the beauty of the archipelago and spot local species in their natural habitats, connecting with the environment in an exhilarating yet respectful manner. Luxury cruises from Lautoka to Papeete promise elegance and cultural immersion. Passengers enjoy spa treatments, wildlife viewing, and village visits, all while sailing through the South Pacific's serene waters. These cruises blend adventure with relaxation, offering panoramic island views, kayaking, snorkeling, and a taste of local life. With various durations and activities, there's a cruise for every traveler's taste. A South Pacific cruise isn't complete without cultural immersion. Village visits and local cuisine provide a deeper understanding of the island's way of life, enriching the journey beyond the scenic vistas. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.